Next example, route the following hydrographs through a river ridge for which given the k is 12 hours and k x is 0.2. At the start of the inflow flood, the outflow discharge is 10 cubic meter per second. Okay, so we start to find the time step. Okay, from this 2kx is equal to 4.8 hours and the k is 12 hours, so we choose delta t between 12 and 2.8, so we choose 6 hours, so it's related to this time steps. Okay, because of the time step is 6 hours of the inflow, and selects the to choose the given the inflow hydrographs or coordinate interval. Okay, because this is in 6 hours. For the coefficient C0, C1, C2, C2, we use this equation. C0, C1, this is C2. Is a function of kx and delta t. In this case, we choose delta t is 6. So we substitute 6 for the delta t, 6 for the delta t. And given the k is 12 and x is 0.2. Okay. So we got this number for C0, C1, and C2. And if we make a summation of C, it should be equal to 1. Okay. And we do channel routing, the first step for, if you look at the hydrograph, the I1 is 1 and C1 I1 is 4.2x and I2 is 20, C0 I2 is 0.96 and Q1 given is 10, and this change to C2O1 is equal to 5.23, so we get the combination of this, the summation of this number, so we get 10.48. Okay, so this is summation for Q2. Okay, this is Q2. Q2 outflow at the time step 2. Okay, and we can write this number in the table. It's more convenient to do calculation. For example, we bring the number to write in the table here. Point. This is C2, C0 I2. Okay, in this case we assume that this is I1, this is I2, and this is O1. Okay, the next summation we got 10.48. Okay, and we can do the next time step using the moving to. So we just use this similar equation and assume that this is I1, this I2, and this is O1. Okay, next we get the new set of data. This is 2.4. Then we can do another time step. We want to finish at the peak. We can do it through the hydrograph coordinate. So before that, this point is this a peak. Okay, so we can see that this is a peak flow compared to the inflow is a peak is this point. The maximum 60, this one, the outflow maximum is about 50, and delay is about 12 hours. So we expect that we can draw if inflow is like this. So outflow is delay of the peak is about 12 hours. Okay, compared to outflow. Okay. And we can compare that this peak is about 50 less than 60